Let us discuss today about lens. What is a lens? Lens is a transparent material bounded by two surfaces, of which one or both surfaces are spherical. That is a lens is bounded by at least one spherical surface. Okay. Other surface may be spherical or may not be spherical, but one surface must be spherical. A lens is a optical device that focuses or disperses light beam by means of refraction. Okay, there are different types of lens, but we basically study two types of lens. One is convex and another one is concave lens. A double convex lens or a biconvex lens or simply a convex lens. If both surfaces of a lens are convex, it is called a convex lens. This surface is convex and this surface is convex. If both the surfaces are convex, it is called a convex lens. A convex lens is thicker in the middle. This is the middle, it is thicker, and the edges are thinner. At the edge it is thinner and at the middle it is thicker. So a convex lens is thicker at the middle as compared to the edges. Convex lens converges light rays. You see, the light rays is converged by a convex lens. Hence a convex lens is also called a converging lens. Okay. Then a double concave lens or a biconcave lens or simply a concave lens. If both surfaces of a lens are concave, it is called a concave lens. You see, this surface is concave and this surface is concave. Both the surfaces are concave, so it is called a concave lens. A concave lens is thicker at the edges. This is the edge. So at the edges, the concave lens is thicker as compared to the middle. Middle is thinner and the edges are thicker. Concave lens diverge light rays. These are parallel light rays. You see, they are diverged by a concave lens. So concave lens diverge light rays. Hence, concave lens are also called diverging lens. You see, concave lens is also called diverging lens. Okay. Now let us learn some terms related to concave and convex lens. The first term is your center of curvature of lens. Okay, center of curvature or C. A lens, either a convex or a concave lens, has two spherical surfaces. I have shown you a lens has two spherical surfaces. Each of these surfaces forms a part of a sphere. Okay, the centers of these spheres are called centers of curvature of the lens. It is denoted by the letter C. Since there are two centers of curvature, we represent them as C1 and C2. Okay, so you see, in convex lens, there are two centers of curvature. One this side C1 and one this side C2. Similarly, in concave lens, you have two centers of curvature, one this side C1 and one this side C2. Okay. Then principal axis. An imaginary straight line passing through the two centers of curvature of a lens is called its principal axis. You see, there are two centers of curvature, C1 and C2. So this is the imaginary axis which joins the two center of curvature C1 and C2, and it passes through the center of the lens, optical center of the lens, and this axis is called the principal axis. Okay. Similarly, this is C1 and this is C2, and the line joining C1 and C2 is called your principal axis. Okay. Then optical center. The central point of a lens is called its optical center. It is denoted by the letter O. A ray of light passing through the optical center of a lens passes without suffering any deviation. Okay, you see, this is the optical center of the lens, convex lens, and this is the optical center of the concave lens. Any ray of light passing through this will pass undeviated. It will not deviate. So refraction will not occur at the optical center, here and here. Next term, aperture. The effective diameter of the circular outline, remember, the effective diameter of the circular outline of a spherical lens is called its aperture. You see the diameter, effective diameter of the circular outline. This is the circular outline. Okay. And the diameter of the circular outline means this to this. Okay. So this to this is called your aperture. If I put here x, if I write here x and write here y, then xy, this one will be the aperture of the convex lens. Similarly, this to this, if I join this line and write x and y, so xy will give you the aperture of the concave lens. Okay. Then what is a thin lens? Remember, a lens whose aperture is much less than its radius of curvature. Remember, a lens whose aperture is much less than its radius of curvature is called a thin lens. Okay, if the radius of curvature is large in comparison to the aperture, then it is called a thin lens. So throughout our study, we will deal with thin lens only. The next term, principal focus of a convex lens. What is principal focus? Parallel rays of light after passing through a convex lens are converging to a point on the principal axis. These are parallel rays of light after passing through the convex lens are converging on the principal axis. This point on the principal axis is called the principal focus. So F2 is called the principal focus of this convex lens. If you pass parallel rays of light from the opposite surface, this side of the lens, you get another principal focus on the opposite side. So if I allow parallel rays of light from this side, it will meet at F1. So F1 is another principal focus. So a convex lens have two principal focus, one foci, one is F2, another one is F1. Similarly, principal focus of a concave lens. What is principal focus of a concave lens? Parallel rays of light after passing through a concave lens are appearing to diverge from a point on the principal axis. Parallel rays of light after passing through the concave lens appear to diverge from F1. Okay, so F1 is called the principal focus of this concave lens. If you allow parallel rays of light from opposite surface, this surface you see of the lens, you will get another principal focus. So it will diverge and it will appear to come from the point F2. So here F1 and F2 are two principal foci of the concave lens. Then what is focal length? The distance of the principal focus from optical center of a lens is called its focal length. It is denoted by the symbol F. So for this convex lens, from here to here, optical center to focus, this is called the focal length. And for this concave lens, from optical center to focus, this is called also the focal length. So this is a brief idea about the lens. In the next video, I will discuss about the ray diagram rules for lens. Thank you.